Red Rock is our newest agriculture experiment station. It's located about 30 minutes north of Tucson. It's a really exciting program in that it was envisioned in the 1970s during the Arab oil embargo that we would establish a program that was really built around an energy farm and ranch. And the envision then was to produce oil, produce ethanol, help bring some of these photovoltaic systems that take and turn sunlight into electricity, and install those in an agriculture and a farming operation and help usher in their development and their utilization in agriculture. And unfortunately, the momentum was lost when oil prices dropped, and Congress decided not to fund our novel program. And here we are again, some 40 years later, redeveloping the same technologies. So we have installed a large agricultural operation. We're growing sweet sorghum for ethanol production.
So this is the pith where the sugar is stored, and you can imagine having thousands of stalks of this being crushed, and it's actually pretty sweet. It's like eating sugar cane, except sugar cane won't grow very well because it takes so much water here, where this takes about 1/10 the water of sugar cane, and grows really well in Arizona. These the sweet sorghum varieties that they're experimenting with here grow really fast, and they produce these really large amounts of biomass per acre, and we're trying to understand which one is the best one and how much juice we can get out of them, and then how to convert it into ethanol. And one of the unique features of the sweet sorghum, if we look at grain ethanol produces around 400 gallons per acre when you use the grain and convert the starches in the grain to ethanol, where this species, the sweet sorghum, will actually produce about 1,200 gallons of ethanol per acre. Significant increase.
Eventually we'll be using the biomass from the sweet sorghum for either cellulosic ethanol or pellets for energy or biomass gasifiers. So we're back on track to try to develop energy production in agricultural setting. I've also installed 200 kilowatts of photovoltaics there to power our agricultural well. We can produce 2,000 gallons of water per minute with our agricultural well, and we've managed now to get it all set up so that it balances out, and our energy utilization should be zero with our farming operations at roughly 300 acres.